clients can be picky creatures, but it's important to stay on top of their requests and gain referrals. When it comes to video, handling requests can be incredibly easy, especially with MediaZilla on your side. First, it's important to set expectations for delivery. When the video will be done, what method you'll deliver the video through, whether it's offline on a USB or through MediaZilla's cinematic digital delivery, and how many revisions you'll provide at a fixed price. During this phase, it's also important to encourage in-depth requests as explicitly as possible so clients don't get lazy with the guidelines and then throw a mountain of last-minute requests your way. Next, during your revision phase, it's best to upload the project in a lower resolution file to allow for faster upload and reference. This will also help conserve your upload quota. With MediaZilla's Replace button, uploading new versions with the client's request is as easy as clicking on the original file and replacing it in real time. This means your client will have an updated version at the same link and won't get confused when looking at 4 different files in the same Google Drive or Dropbox. Finally, for delivery, some clients are happy with a share link. Others want a physical copy, such as a flash drive. With MediaZilla, you can do it all. You can deliver directly to clients through email, even setting up password protection along the way. MediaZilla's digital delivery also allows mass email invites and includes a link directly to the free streaming app for client convenience. Unlike other platforms like Vimeo, MediaZilla hosts projects permanently and even allows your clients to create their own free accounts to take permanent possession of a project. Handling client requests has never been easier. Join MediaZilla today and get the experience you deserve.